I joined a public voice chat on Discord, and some of those people's mics were incredibly bad. Hold on, listen, I know they can't afford $150 for an XLR mic, but this might work. This is a mid-range microphone from SR-AU01. It comes with your average metal flexible boom arm. Pretty sturdy. Nothing too insane, but it definitely gets the job done. They do include a pop filter so you don't spit all over the mic. And the foam windscreen is actually thicker than most. I absolutely love all the buttons here. You have a quick mute button, a volume dial, and you can plug your headset into it if you wanted to. Assuming it's a wired headset. But wait, let's see how this mic actually sounds. Okay, so this is what I sound like using the microphone that's built into my phone. And this is what I sound like using the 7MYS microphone. The quality is definitely average for a USB mic. It's not a bad mid-range option, it's definitely better than what those kids were using on Discord.